So today on a windy homestead, I have some lapel mics and some windshields on them. Let's test them out and see if they're any good. Hello, I'm Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead. And in today's video, we're going to look at a couple of mics here, some microphones, and to help battle this wind. As you know, even from listening to this video now, and if you've been listening to the other videos as you've been watching them, the wind and really hurts the sound quality of these videos. And I want to try to make the sound quality a little bit better. So on my current camcorder, what I have is a built-in mic, and there is no plug for an external mic. It's a really old camera. So I've been looking for a solution, and I think I found something. I have a voice recorder here. It's a Sony. It's a PX333, and it's a digital voice recorder, and it has a couple of AAA batteries and an micro SD card that you save it to, and you can plug it here directly into your computer and just download the information. And the thought is, I'm going to sync this voice with the video for the camera and have much better quality sound for you guys. So what I got here is I have some lapel mics, and on these lapel mics they actually just have, and with this little clip you can clip it onto your shirt, and these mics here are pretty inexpensive, and they keep me up at 5. So that's good because it allows me now to test without any kind of windscreen. They come with a foam screen, and so I'll test it with this. And then I bought a little fuzzy thing here. There's a brand out there called Dead Kit, and I guess people like to use that as like the generic version of the Dead Kit. So I just call it the furry thing. So what my object is in this video is I'm going to do 3 recordings of each one of these, and then you're going to tell me down in the comment section what you guys think of each one of these, which one's probably the best one. I'm going to guess this one, but let's just find out. So let's go ahead and do this test. I'm going to put down in the description field the Amazon link for this guy here, as well as these mics here. So let me get all hooked up here so we can get ready with the first one. So my first test is with no windscreen on it. So here we go. First test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey, I got to do a little plug. Make sure you share my videos with others. See you. Bye. Have fun. Mic number 2, or better yet, screen number 2. This is the foam screen on the mic. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course my little plug, make sure that you share the videos with everyone. See you. Bye. Have fun. So test number 3. Test number 3 is the fuzzy thing. So the fuzzy windscreen, how is it doing? So testing. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course share my videos with others. See you. Bye. Have fun. So hopefully you got enough of a recording for each one that you're able to tell. The wind wasn't blowing as consistently as I was hoping for each time, but I am hoping that, oh, and here comes Concho. That was his guest appearance. Anyhow, so hopefully you guys get a little bit of an idea of the way that this one is sounding. I'm hoping that this really solves our problem here with the wind, and if it does, obviously let me know down in the description field. Give me as much information, maybe even give me some additional tips, and And looking forward to your comments. I want to know if this is going to be my solution, so I can do videos on a windy day like this. So, guess I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you. Bye. Have fun. Nice wind there, huh? This is a good test.